quick break because we're kind of hungry here, and I feel kind of dizzy from the ride, so we're just gonna have a quick break, quick lunch break. Okay, the line here is pretty long just to get food, so I'll see you in the next clip, I guess. Oh, sweet Dad, what did you get? Cool. So that's the next ride we're riding on with motorbikes.
Simple as a liar. Whoever told you peace is easy, don't admire. I wanna hold you, but I can't control the fire. The fire's burning, ain't I'm putting out that light. Yeah, desire turns to desire, turns into a quiet old man full of white hair. Thought we had it all planned out in a hijack, but even then, everything was a fight. Yeah, peas and carrots, what we inherit. I see the merit in the squeeze of parents. No need to sugarcoat it. I see the need for being married, but who would condone it? When your dreams are being buried and it seems you've been disowned, I say hold on to the little piece of you that's still upon you. Think twice and where's it going to? Think twice, but what it gonna do?
Alright guys, so finally, now it's a clearer weather than it was a while ago, so, and I just changed my style because I wanted to.
Hey YouTube! Everybody on YouTube, LB Gamer! That's right!
Yeah.
Yep,
Alright.
good.
Well, have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
I mean, I really never showed you the backside of Harry Potter, so here it is. Looks cool actually. Alright, I know it's against the light, but we're going to Hogwarts. It reminds me of entering the geothermal valley in Rise of the Tomb Raider. I know it's unrelated, but you get the idea. Alright guys, so now we're going into the main attraction, which is Universal Studios. Not like Island of Adventure, it's actually the real Universal Studios. It is around 4:20 p.m. right now, so you guys can meme about that if you want. But yeah, just take a look at that. The waterfalls, nice. That has been around since 1998. It's still holding up pretty well actually. Just take a look at that. I'm just gonna get a photo here for a while, so BRB. Alright guys, so just like in Disney Hollywood Studios, they're replicating the palm trees going to LA. I mean, that's pretty clever. This is just beautiful. I mean, you got a studio right there, another studio right there. Then there's so much attractions to go here actually. So many attractions to explore. I mean, don't you guys think? It's pretty cool. Wow, it actually looks kind of like a city here. Look at that. Alright, so the first ride we're gonna ride is Shrek 4D.
Much better.
Noble steed at your service.
Would you look at that? Donkey! I found a shortcut.
Let me go!
To the carriage! You got a donkey? I've gone to another dimension!
Your eyes out! All done.
So I see you die in the first movie. You fools! This time it's your turn to be the entree. Okay, my street, take care of them.
Look at you, donkey, you're covered in fat. I love you.
Shucks.
Alright guys, so it's 6 p.m. right now at the night. The theme park will close at 8 p.m. so we're not gonna ride a lot of roller coasters right now. There's my dad.
In another whirlwind adventure. This is cool.
Yeah.
That's good.
Nice. I can't even do that. Can I get a high five, please? Yeah. Alright guys, so another day here in Universal Studios. So right now we are going to the Jurassic Park section and we're gonna ride Revenge of the Mummy. I heard it's a really good roller coaster, so I have yet to check that. I legit thought those were actual real buildings, but no. They are actually just a piece of plastic. They are decals, but it feels like New York and Los Angeles mixed together. And it's like more polished because of all the rides and then all the cool thrills here. Alright guys, so since I wasn't able to record what's inside, I'll just give you a quick story. So we just went in there, a person was like, hey, you're not supposed to be here, get out. And then a mummy comes out, and then we just drove down, and then another group of mummies were able to get out, and then fire came out, and then we went riding around. So, and then we went to the end saying, thank you for riding with us, and then breaks the glass. It's a mummy, wet us, and then we got to the exit, so it's pretty cool. Today's more of a chill day in Universal for us, so I'm not gonna ride too much roller coasters. Also guys, I know this is kind of debatable, but comment down below whether or not you like Universal Studios more or Disney World more. Personally, none of them are better than the other because they're both fun, and Disney World is bigger, just so you guys know, but Universal Studios is also a really good theme park with far more rides. So comment down below what you guys think. So mom, what did you get?
I got a chocolate cake.
Uh-huh.
And yours is, I guess that's...
Cinnamon?
This is cappuccino, that's mine.
Okay.
Actually, and this is yours.
Oh, okay, you got things mixed up there. There's more, are you kidding? Oh my gosh.